Hi, as you can see, workers are building the hot stove for heating the rotary dryer. This is the rotary dryer for drying wood sawdust or rice husk. There are installation pipes. Over there it is the furnace. Okay, and this is the sawdust briquette machine. Hi, today we are running the whole line. This is the rotary dryer. We are feeding the sawdust. As you can see, after the drying machines, this is the pipes fan, the cyclone part. Here we go. It is the sawdust. The moisture it is like less than 10%, and over there it is the furnace. Okay, this is the rotary dryer. From the dryer we get very dry sawdust, moisture less than 10 at least. This is overview for the dryer. Now let's see how it makes into briquettes. We feed in the sawdust and we get very nice briquettes. And there is a cutter, you can cut it automatically to 50.